Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as a Romanian translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. To start, effortlessly contribute your Romanian content to the chat. Type "Translate this in English" and press enter to kick off the translation process. Observe as Google Bard deftly and promptly conveys the meaning of Romanian words, seamlessly translating them into English. However, the exploration of language doesn't conclude there. Even if you decide to seek the Romanian equivalent of an English term out of curiosity, the process maintains its inherent appeal. Just as before, translate this to Romanian before inputting the English text you choose. Watch as Google Bard adeptly and smoothly responds, furnishing the precise Romanian translation. Despite Google Bard's impressive potential, it's important to be mindful that accuracy can vary, particularly in challenging situations or when handling sensitive terms. It's wise to consider seeking a second opinion when dealing with important decisions. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.